Hello, everyone. I'm Sophia. Welcome to Shadowing with EduTalks. I know that feeling. You've been learning English for 3, maybe 4, or even 5 years. You understand the grammar, you've learned so many words, and you've studied again and again. But when it's time to speak, your mind suddenly goes blank. Your tongue feels stuck, and the words don't come out the way you want. Do you feel nervous when you speak English? Do you know what you want to say, but you just can't say it clearly? Here's the truth. You don't need difficult vocabulary to speak English well. Native speakers use simple, natural sentences every day. And sometimes, those simple phrases are the hardest to understand and use. That's exactly what we're going to fix today with real-life English expressions. The method is very simple. Hear a sentence, say a sentence. Just listen, copy, and repeat. This is day 4 of our 30-day challenge, Directions. Imagine you are in a new city. You need help. Someone gives you directions, but you can't follow them because everything feels confusing. Today, that changes. In the next 10 minutes, you will learn and practice 30 powerful direction phrases. No more translating in your head. Just clear, natural English coming out easily. Are you ready to feel confident and never get lost again? Let's start shadowing. Excuse me, where can I find a supermarket? Excuse me, where can I find a supermarket? Excuse me, where can I find a supermarket? Could you tell me where the nearest clinic is? Could you tell me where the nearest clinic is? Could you tell me where the nearest clinic is? Is there a convenience store around here? Is there a convenience store around here? Is there a convenience store around here? Where can I get something to eat? Where can I get something to eat? Where can I get something to eat? Do you know where the bus stop is? Do you know where the bus stop is? Do you know where the bus stop is? Is the police station near here? Is the police station near here? Is the police station near here? Where's the closest cash machine? Where's the closest cash machine? Where's the closest cash machine? Can you help me find a bookstore? Can you help me find a bookstore? Can you help me find a bookstore? Is there a parking area nearby? Is there a parking area nearby? Is there a parking area nearby? Where is the city center? Where is the city center? Where is the city center? Great job! You just practiced 10 useful everyday questions. These are simple but extremely powerful. Now, let's level up. It's time to ask for better, clearer directions when you're confused. How can I get to the bus terminal? How can I get to the bus terminal? How can I get to the bus terminal? What's the easiest way to the city center? What's the easiest way to the city center? What's the easiest way to the city center? Can you show me how to get to the park? Can you show me how to get to the park? Can you show me how to get to the park? Is it far from here? Is it far from here? Is it far from here? Which way should I go from here? Which way should I go from here? Which way should I go from here? Can I walk there? Can I walk there? Can I walk there? How long will it take to reach? How long will it take to reach? How long will it take to reach? Should I take a taxi or a bus? Should I take a taxi or a bus? Should I take a taxi or a bus? Excellent work. Now you can ask for directions with more confidence. But now, let's take it one step further. What if someone asks you for help? Let's switch roles. Now you'll learn how to give directions clearly and naturally. Go straight down this road. Go straight down this road. Go straight down this road. Turn right at the next corner. Turn right at the next corner. Turn right at the next corner. Take the first left. Take the first left. Take the first left. It will be on your right side. It will be on your right side. It will be on your right side. Walk past the restaurant. Walk past the restaurant. Walk past the restaurant. Cross the road at the signal. Cross the road at the signal. Cross the road at the signal. It's beside the tall building. It's beside the tall building. It's beside the tall building. You'll see it easily. You'll see it easily. You'll see it easily. It's only a few minutes away. It's only a few minutes away. It's only a few minutes away. Keep walking until you reach the park. Keep walking until you reach the park. Keep walking until you reach the park. Turn left after the supermarket. Turn left after the supermarket. Turn left after the supermarket. It's right across the street from the school. It's right across the street from the school. It's right across the street from the school. You did it! That's 30 practical and powerful phrases. They are simple, natural, and used every day. Now comes the most important part. Let's use these phrases in a real conversation. I'll be the person asking for directions, and you will answer like a local. After each sentence, pause and repeat your answer. Are you ready? Let's begin. Excuse me, where is the bus terminal? Go straight down this road. Is it far from here? No, it's only a few minutes away. Is there a place to eat nearby? Yes, turn right at the next corner. Walk past the restaurant. It will be on your right side. How long will it take to get there? Just about 3 minutes. You'll see it easily. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Have a nice day. Great work. Now let's switch roles again. This time, you ask the questions. You are the visitor, and I will answer. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Let's start again. Excuse me, where is the bus terminal? Go straight down this road. Is it far from here? No, it's only a few minutes away. Is there a place to eat nearby? Yes, turn right at the next corner. Walk past the restaurant. It will be on your right side. How long will it take to get there? Just about 3 minutes. You'll see it easily. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Have a nice day. Perfect. You just learned 30 essential direction phrases. You can now confidently ask for directions and help others with clear, natural English. We also practiced a real-life conversation together. Did you feel the difference in your speaking? Did it sound smoother and more natural? Now go back and practice that conversation one more time. Say every sentence out loud. Build your confidence. Make it yours. Tomorrow is day 5, and we'll learn another powerful skill to improve your English speaking. Don't stop now. Keep your streak going. Like this video and subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson. And comment below with one phrase you will use in real life this week. See you tomorrow. Keep shadowing and keep improving every single day.